And the race is on. Witness in Manila sets a blistering pace, scorching the track up in front by Anek, followed by Tayuman by Daral. Compelled to lead from the outside by Daral's Fields of Gold. Rushing up from the outside is La Unlan, and Len Len is running at the tail of the field. Tayuman this time by Anek. Witness in Manila from the outside and running in third by some 5 lengths. Compelled to lead, and La Unlan rounding the far turn. Tayuman by a long nose. Witness in Manila is on the outside, and La Unlan as they race the final corner. Witness in Manila this time by Anek. Tayuman Danori inside. La Unlan is racing third. Entering the last 150 meters more to run. Witness in Manila. Tayuman once again by Daral. Tayuman. Witness in Manila is on the outside. Tayuman. Witness in Manila. La Unlan. And finally, Tayuman. Witness in Manila bagging the second spot. Salvage in third. La Unlan. Then comes Fields of Gold. Number 4 compact.